Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's still your girl ijeoma Florence. In this channel, I do wigging. I also do ventilating of crochet, frontal and others. I also do DIY tutorials. So if this is your first time coming across my video, you're highly welcome to the family. Do where to like, comment and subscribe. Okay, so for all my subscribers, I heart you guys so much. My returning subscribers, my new viewers, I love you guys. Thank you. So as you can see from this video, I'm doing wig transformation. The video has started already. So I want to transform this my coily crochet wig into a straight bronze wig. This is my old wig that I've been wearing. I made it with a canical hair. So now I want to transform it to something else. So all you need to do is to dip the curly hair inside a very boiled hot water, as you can see from the video. Then allow it to sit for like 2 minutes. After that, I dried it using my towel. After drying it with my towel, I gave it a thorough combing using my ribbon comb. As you can see from the video, I comb it very well to make sure it's free from the tangling. Okay, so later on I transfer it to my mannequin head to easy the combing. So guys, after combing it, I allow it to dry under room temperature. I did not take it outside the sun. Instead, I left it inside my room for it to dry. Okay, so now is the time for me to straighten it after it must have dried. So I use my straightener, then I put it in a medium heat so that it will not burn. So I use the straightener to straighten it. Okay, as I'm straightening it, I also made use of my rectangle comb to detangle it as well. So why the straighten it, I really took my time. I did not rush anything. Remember, is a wig transformation. I'm trying to give this wig another look, so I did not rush anything. I really took my time while straightening it. Okay, so enjoy watching the video. Is self-explanatory and easy steps to follow. Okay, enjoy watching. I'll get back to you guys. Okay. Oh god. So guys, as you can see, I'm done with the straightening of the wig. Okay, so after I combed it, I now moved to the next step, which is trimming down the wig to my desired length. As you can see, I made use of my scissors, and mind you guys, I did not cut this wig at once. I really took my time. I took my time while cutting it, one step at a time. Okay, I did not rush anything, like I've said. I really took my time, especially when I was cutting it, because there is this desired length I had in mind. So I really took my time to see that I got the exact desired length that I was looking for. So while making yours, while cutting it, do not just cut it at once. Take your time, okay? Take your time while cutting it so that you will get the exact length you are looking for. Okay, so I really took my time, like I've said. I took my time while cutting this wig. Look at it. This is the exact length I'm going for. So it's just a kind of trimming. I trimmed it down. Okay, so it's giving already. Can't you see, guys? The wig is giving already, from curly crochet wig to straight bronze wig. Wow, this is called wig transformation. So after cutting down the wig, as in the excess ones, unwanted ones, so the next thing I did was to seal it up with my straightening again. I mean, I just straighten the tip part of it, not all of the hair again, but just the tip part of it. Okay, so guys, look at it. The wig is giving already. I really loved the outcome. I loved it. Okay, so let me see what you think on the comment section. Write your comment on the comment section. Are you gonna try it? Do you have an old wig that you're tired of wearing? I mean, curly wig, especially all these synthetic ones. You can, if you're tired of it, just do yourself good by transforming it. Okay, the steps are very easy steps. Is what you can do. Since I did it, you can do it as well. It's very simple. So guys, wait for the final look. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for being there for me. Okay, I really appreciate you guys. If you have learned one thing or the other, please do well to hit the subscribe button. Recommend my video with your friends and family, and always do it to share. Okay, stay safe until my next video.